and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Central Empowered Committee asks Mines Department to submit its final interim report on Monday. Sources claim Mines Department doesn't have proper data of last 10 years. Praful Patel says Shah Commission is not the final authority to decide legal and illegal mining, says state government shouldn't expect package from centre. Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tewari claims that Congress party has never done any illegal work in any manner, says Subramaniam Swamy is making allegations just to be in the limelight. Ponda police arrest Sachin Naik in an alleged racket involving sale of rice procured for the midday meal scheme. Truck owner and driver also arrested. Dulair Stadium artificial turf will undergo testing this month, says GFA Vice President Lavinio Rebello. And not many current players can fight for World Award now compared to high number during my time, says former World Player of the Year Luis Figo. Now the news in detail. Central Empowered Committee has asked the Mines Department to submit its final interim report on Monday. Earlier, CEC has rejected Mines Department's reports twice, pointing towards variations in iron ore production and Forest Department details. Sources claim that the Mines Department doesn't have proper figures of the last 10 years.
CEC has asked the Directorate of Mines and Geology to submit detailed report on the issues pertaining to mining. Mines Department has submitted its report 2 times, but CEC has not accepted the report. Sources confirm Claude Alvarez submitted its figures to CEC, which were acquired through RTI. CEC comparing figures with details given by Claude Alvarez. CEC rejected report twice due to variations in figures. CEC found variations in iron ore production and Forest Department details. Mines Department put their full strength to prepare report. Mines Department doesn't have proper data of last 10 years. CEC may submit its details to Supreme Court on Monday. Last week, the committee was in Goa for 3 days. They inspected the mines mentioned in the Shah Commission report. A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi.
Heavy Industry Minister and NCP leader Praful Patel has said that Shah Commission report is not the final authority to decide legal and illegal mining. Patel also said that mining issue is related with livelihood of the people of Goa, so state government should do its best to resume legal mining in the state.
Heavy Industry Minister and NCP leader Praful Patel on Saturday said that Shah Commission report on mining in Goa is not the final authority to decide legal and illegal mining. He said that the report is just tabled in the Parliament and it needs to be debated in the House.
Shah Commission's reports, also the findings have been at variance than in the past and in the present. There have been a lot of various things which can be discussed and debated. So we are not, while we do not want to dismiss anybody's report, we also do not find that the Shah Commission's report should be taken as the final stamp of authority whether this is right or wrong. So we have to accept that these things have to be discussed and debated.
Praful Patel said that the ban on mining has caused major financial problem in state, but he completely objected state government's demand to grant special financial package from central government.
Generally, state governments do not get funding from center for salaries. State governments get funding from central government for special projects, for developmental projects, for some extraordinary circumstances like sometimes there is a drought or there is a floods or something, or some natural calamities. That is the time when central government does come to the help of states. But to also for the state government, they have to also find ways of generating their own income.
Patel said that there might be illegal mining going on in Goa, but the previous government, in which NCP was in alliance, should not be blamed for it.
Heavy Industry Minister Praful Patel has said that central government is not against resuming legal mining in the Goa. But he also said that it's the responsibility of the Goa government to represent his side in a right manner in the Apex Code. With the camera person Prajot, I am Mukesh Kumar, Prudent Media, Panji.
The new Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tewari says that Congress party has never done any illegal work in any manner. He was replying to the allegations made by Janata Party President Subramaniam Swamy. Tewari also said that Swamy makes such allegations just to be in the limelight.
ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि कई लोगों को कुछ लोगों को ये आदत पड़ गई है कि जो सार्वजनिक संवाद है को जितना प्रदूषित किया जाए उतना कम है। आज तक जो भी आरोप लगाए गए हैं वो निराधार, बेबुनियाद, तथ्यहीन पाए गए हैं और सारी जो बातें हैं उनका बहुत विस्तृत तौर से कल जो हमारे सह प्रवक्ता हैं पीसी चाको जी, उन्होंने जवाब दे दिया था। तो इसलिए इसमें दूर दूर तक कोई सच्चाई नहीं है, सिर्फ लोगों के ऊपर कीचड़ उछालने की कोशिश है।
Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tewari has said that though the budget allocation for organizing IFFI here in Goa is same as last year, still money problem will not come in the way of the best arrangements. Tewari also said that Information and Broadcasting Ministry will work to make IFFI self-sufficient to raise money for the organizing event.
I am informed by our director of the film festival that the budgetary allocations remain at the same level as they were last year. But I think, in any situation in life, it is not so much about finances as it is about substantive engagement. And the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, since I understand this is the 43rd year that we have been hosting this festival, that bears testimony to our continued engagement to the promotion of films and arts in this country. I think that's what is majorly important.
Our reporter Mukesh Kumar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.